Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change mouse cursor color. So to change mouse cursor color, first thing you have to do, click on start, then open settings. In here you need to click on ease of access. Now this second option, mouse pointer. So click on it. You can change size and here you can change color like black, white, inverted and custom. Suggested pointer colors and pick a custom pointer color. So select as your requirement. Then click on done and there are some more options. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by this basic and super easy method we can know how to change color for mouse in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.